Can I have it as my website now?
Yes, you can, if you're happy with it.
As much as I'd like not to, I'm completely tech illiterate. So for this video, I'm challenging myself and Wix.com, and I'll be creating a website on their platform for the first time ever, just to prove to you how intuitive or not their platform is. Use the link on the description below to start your website with me. I'm really excited to say this video has been sponsored by Wix.com. Thank you so much for helping young artists like me to make their dream come true. It sort of marks the change that I've been wanting to make to my business for a long time. That I want to shift from doing commission work to actually doing more shop stationery related work and Patreon, obviously. So I am totally going to put this into my portfolio, but I'll also go into things that you can use if you just want to sell commissions. So I'm going to log in, create website, and choose portfolio and CV. On Wix.com, you can start designing your website right away and then think about the payment plans afterwards. I want my brand to be a casual kind of thing. And when you create a website, I think it's very important for you to have your own brand in mind. So I've created here a color palette that I can use on my website and some fonts. And let's just pick something that I like. Ooh, this sounds interesting. Let's see. I like this one. I like the simplistic look, and having a minimalistic look, it's quite nice. This one, for example, it's got blog and shop, like straight out, and it's got a very nice menu on the top. I quite like this one actually. I've been wanting to start a blog for a long time. It's one of the reasons I've been starting to incorporate subtitles on my YouTube videos, because I can use them, and you can use them too on your blogs if you create a website. This is the editor mode. Got a little menu here, menus and pages. So I'm assuming this is all the pages that we've got. I'm gonna see if there's a way of changing this shop to an Etsy shop instead. Then there's the about. What is this? Oh, so that scrolls down to the contact. I like that. And we can change the theme colors of the website, including the text. So I think I'm gonna start through here. Changing the theme right at the beginning was the right choice, as I didn't have to change each color and font as I went ahead. Let's just start customizing the text, and don't forget to add your own social media icons and the respective links every time you find them. It's the first step to make the website yours. And to add new pages or menus to the website, you go on the website menu tab and just click on the add page or add link button on the bottom. Next, I'm going to change and add images to the website. If you click on the images, you'll be taken to the website gallery, where you can import your own images. This is the opportunity to let your art shine, so get those goodies out there. Like clicking everywhere except when I need to click. With the main images done, I'll start customizing the next stripe. First the text and then the button. For the button, you have different designs you can choose, so have a look at the menu. I like this one, so I'll leave it just like that. Look at these, I'm so good. I even have like blog posts already. What? Shop the look. So this is a strip with images. So these images are actually not connected to anything, and I can connect them to whatever I want. So I click on the images and head on to the gallery to add new product pictures and add them. Then I just need to link the images with the correct product link on Etsy. So this is huge. I know you're thinking that's what she said, but I mean, look at the size of this. As a content creator, I think it's quite important that I have my social media also featured on my website. I'll obviously start by connecting my Instagram and then reducing this to a more humble size. On the editor, you can find a tab with several apps you can use on the website. And I found this Instagram app and also a YouTube app in there that you can connect to your own social media and always show an up-to-date feed. There are step-by-step instructions to help you connect your social media, and then it's just a matter of integrating this with your brand and style. There's so many options, you can definitely lose yourself in there, so don't be afraid to check each one and see what they change. It's my website! I'm so excited about this. Yes, let's go. We come to the newsletter, and if you're just doing commission, unless you close commissions every now and then, in that case having a newsletter is actually quite nice, because then you can just send to everyone, look, commissions open, sign up for your slots. And if you have a shop, they're obviously also great because you can update people with the things that hopefully they will like. I don't know much about email marketing yet, so I just used the form already on the page, but you can find it on the editor under contact and forms, and then you can just customize the colors and messages as you want. Wix has several apps connected to email marketing that you can even link with your MailChimp or other email marketing solution, or you can just use Wix's own email marketing templates. We need to build ourselves a portfolio. New page. And we have here services, projects, contact, landing page. Let's create a general page. If your template doesn't have a portfolio already, you can just go to the app market and add Wix Pro Gallery. And then you just need to delete the template images and add the ones we already uploaded before. I'm gonna tweak a couple of things and ta-da! It's done! If you're looking to sell commissions, obviously just post the best of your art. I think that actually works for everything. For book covers, the game company, whatever. You only have to pick the best of the best. Okay, so I did a thing I probably is a bit too cheeky and I might change it, but it starts like this. Do you enjoy receiving gifts, monthly tutorials and more? Join the community on Patreon with a button that goes, you guessed, to Patreon. I wanted to add something extra for my Patreon, so I went to interactive strips and I added just a random one to edit. I had some images that I used as banners on my Patreon that I uploaded and changed on the strip. Then it was a matter of changing the fonts to match the website and adding the button linked to my Patreon. Something really cool, and I just want to say, apparently when I customize one of this, it gets saved. So when I click here, I have save designs and I just click it and it adds. This is brilliant. The Etsy shop! It's time for the Etsy shop! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited! The Etsy shop app is very intuitive and remarkably fast to install. Totally worth the hype.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
So this is really good. Basically, I was gonna publish the website and it just tells me to check your site on mobile. I didn't realize I could do that. So let's edit mobile site and see how it goes. Let's see what we can add on the phone per se, because I think this is really cool. Quick action bar. Oh, this is so cool. Besides having some cool features such as the action bar and back to top button, it's important to check if the website looks okay on the mobile view. Thank goodness I got the alert. Okay, so I finished the website and I'm really excited about it. So for the final test, Emma, can you come here please?
Coming.
Oh!
Hello.
Ta-da!
Oh, nice. Look at that.
So this is the frequently asked questions.
The list of polished pages that you have?
You think so?
Yeah.
Initially, I had used the list from the menu Lists and Grids, but we ended up finding a Wix app just for frequently asked questions that worked a lot better.
Oh wow.
So you have to remove that and replace them.
That is really cool.
Oh, that's pretty. That's better.
Do you
for
like
your,
that one?
Yeah, for your
Yeah.
style it's better. Have you done the SEO?
Oh gosh, no. There's a place in here just for SEO tools. Get found on Google.
SEO is usually very tricky for those who don't know about it. Without doing it, you'll never get found. Wix proved to be very beginner friendly by guiding me and giving me a checklist to follow.
Okay, so everything's done. What do you think?
Done.
Really?
Yeah, it is.
Can I have it as my website now?
Yes, you can. If you're happy with it.
What? You still haven't done yours? Follow this link on the description.